Hey guys, this is your Monday practice and skill. So the first thing you're going to come across is your spelling activity. Now you will be having your spelling test this week on Friday. I didn't want to wait till lesson 10 because that's still a few weeks away. So I wanted to get this over with. So we're going to do your spelling test this Friday. So until we get there, we're going to do some activities. This one is your first activity. You are going to write a complete sentence using the spelling words below. Underline the spelling word in each sentence. Oops, sorry. Now, so basically, you have spelling words. You have population, tropical, pyramid, empire, peninsula, civilization, rainforest, indigenous, temple, monument. Now, how I want you to write these down, and you can number them like this. Okay. So, like, number 1 is population. Number 2, you'll write a sentence about tropical. Number 3, pyramids, and so forth. So, you're going to write a complete sentence. A complete sentence. That means you have a capital letter at the beginning, punctuation mark at the end. If you need commas somewhere in the middle, you have those. You have a complete subject, and you have a complete predicate. And it's more than 3 words. Okay? So, you are going to have a complete sentence. Like for number 1 with population, you could do a little Google search and find out what the population of Earth is, or the population of the United States is. Like the population of the United States in 2000 was 20, but I don't know if they'd have a current number this year. In 2018 was 365 million people. Do something to that extent. Make it good. Make it fun. Tropical. My dream vacation would go to a tropical island. Something like that. I would love to see the pyramids of Giza. Just come up with some really good ones. Or, good grief, even right here. My favorite Star Wars movie is The Empire Strikes Back. Empire Strikes Back. That could count. Make it fun. And remember, there are 10 of them. And then this next one is kind of like puzzle pieces. Like my thumb's still not working properly. Okay, it says root word. So you have root words, and then you have prefixes and suffixes. Unscramble the prefixes, root words, and suffixes to make a whole word. Each whole word must have a prefix, a root word, and a suffix. You may have to drop the E from the root word and add the suffix. So here's the deal. Each thing gets used once. You cannot use it more than once, I don't believe. But you have to use everything. So if you wanted to, I'll just start right here. So in appointment, in friend, in spell, in normal, in describe. I've heard in describe. Indescribable. So I would go indescribable. So I would just write that down. Indescribable. And I do believe you would drop the E. Indescribe. So you just write that down. And if you need to, like I said, you can use Google to make sure the word is spelled correctly, like I'm going to do right now. E-N-D-E-S-C, indescribe. Yep, I was right. N-D-E-S-C-R-I-B. You drop the E, add the A. Indescribable. There you go. So we have used those. And then you just go from there. You're going to make 4 more words for me, okay? Now that is all for your practice and skill. But please remember, guys, class dismissed. Because once we get halfway through, and that's going to be like chapters 15 through 20-ish, you're going to have to do an activity. So please, guys, Listen to the story and answer the question, because I have several people who aren't doing it. And guys, that counts against you. So please, let's go. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you later.